So, I think this one is better. Also put a lot of reverb on it. Welcome back. So, we have drums, we have the piano melody, the bass, and now it's time to get a little bit creative because I felt like, you know, that's cool. But you have a really powerful plugin, guys. It has the potential to be the really best thing you can do in Ableton. It will be a life changer, not just in Ableton, but it's your voice. So, I'm not a singer. I believe that everyone can be a singer though, but I don't practice or something. But what I like to do is just play around with my voice. And especially for this track, I had 2 ideas that I want to show you and how to achieve it. So first, I wanted to do something like a vocal bed, like something like a pad. So let's just lay that down. And for a pad, I'm aiming for a consistent note. And it won't sound really good through the mic, but let's just pretend that's good. So, new audio track, press record, choose the right mic, you know, you can just easily do it in the in and output section of your DAW. And that's this mic here, and let's just record something. Okay, so let's get rid of this part. And get rid of this part. So we have a D, and because we are in B, let's just pitch it down by, that's a C, that's a B. Okay, so now we can use the tuner. That's this little guy here. And let's see how this section loops. Okay, let's get rid of those. And just put it all the way here. And now let's warp this thing, put it on complex. And let's just, you know, for this vocal bed, this is like, it works in theory. You know. But it sounds, you know, it sounds like a cheesy like pop vocal or something. So we just kind of want to shape it with an EQ. Also put a lot of reverb on it so it kind of gets left and right, and put on a chorus as well. Maybe pitch it down again. Yeah, and we pitch it down. We are almost always in the minus. So let's pitch it up some sense. Put an OTT on it. Reduce it even further in the section. You know, with EQ and compression and stuff, you can get really creative shaping sounds. So don't sleep on that. Get creative. Do harsh cuts, do harsh boosts, no matter what. If you're sound designing, it's really good. Okay, let's listen to it. So it's nice, it lays in the background, it just adds a little bit more atmosphere to everything. Just make sure you loop the whole vocal in a section where it's not too busy going left and right from the note you want to hit, especially if you can't sing. If you can sing, well, do your magic. But I also put on fades, because when you're a looping section and you don't have fades, it's kind of clicky and you don't want that. So we can even add some kind of auto pan to it. And let it pan from left to right. You know, it's not really noticeable until you turn it off. Another really cool thing you can do with your voice, especially for this kind of genre, I felt like it would be appropriate. It would be good to use. Kind of like chants and stuff, and you probably could use some samples, but where's the fun with this? So let's add some woo! I think Decap with Drums That Knock, Sample Pack Producer, made this kind of famous, and it's really fun to do. So let's just do a woo! Turn down your headphones, maybe it's going to be loud. Woo! So, here we are, and let's see what it sounds like. Woo, 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 woo. That's the high note here. Woo, woo, woo. And it's even a B. Cool. Especially if you're using kind of this, it's pitching up. So it would be hard to just use a tuner and see what kind of frequency we are aiming for and tune it. So we can use a free plugin by Melda Production. Melda Production has really many free tools, and you can just download them. They have a lot of cool plugins, and we're using M-Auto-Pitch, which is a free auto-tune plugin. And what we can do is put it on minor, put it on B minor, and now let's listen. Woo! 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 You know, it's already doing something. Can add the depth. Woo! Woo! And you hear it's doing quite a lot, so maybe we need to pitch it up. Woo! 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 So we have this. Woo! It works. So now let's just make it more funk and more powerful. So let's add a saturator. Woo! 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 Get rid of the lows. Woo! 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 Add reverb. Woo! 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 And maybe lower this a bit. Woo! 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 And maybe add a delay, just to let it ring out and echo. Not that long. Filter the delay a bit. Okay, I like the processing, but not too happy with the woo, so let's just record more woos. Okay? Woo! Woo! Okay, how about those? Woo! How about this one? Okay, how about this? I think this one is better. It's not too. Just cut it so everything's nice and tight. Okay. So we have kind of like a party vocal. Woo! And we have this little vocal bed. Kind of adds to the song. Just. Okay, so that's basically it for the additional elements. You know, using your voice can be really useful. I think what we're going to do next is create some really cool effects, like up and down lifts and stuff, and then have a look at arrangement. Now we have so many elements, and when with the effects we have so many stuff to do. So let's then look at the arrangement, at automations and stuff, and then have a look on the mixing, mastering, and that's it. So next up, FX.